guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how I got this spring look right here. So if you're interested on seeing how I got this look, please keep on watching. Oh my god, I feel like I'm gonna go to or something. So today I'm gonna show you only like the eyes and part of the face, because my face makeup is basically the same routine as my last video. So let's just jump right in with the eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using my Yes Please palette from Colourpop. I'm sorry it's so dirty. I'm thinking about doing a very spring kind of look, so let's just go ahead and start. I'm gonna start using this yellow shade right here, and that's gonna go in the crease. I really want to do like a bright eyeshadow look and a more nude lip. I use this shade right here. That is gonna go more into like the actual crease, and then I'll work it upwards. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of this terracotta shade right here. I'm gonna apply it on the crease as well, just to warm the crease up a little bit more. I'm gonna take a little bit of this reddish shade right here with the same brush, but just like a tiny bit. I'm gonna apply it here as well. Alright, and last I'm gonna use this brown shade right here with a flat brush, and I'm gonna apply that on my outer V as well. Alright, now I'm gonna use this shade right here, and I'm gonna apply that in my lip. Next, I'm gonna use my Ciate London Fierce Flicks. Alright guys, so now that the eyes are done, I'm gonna move on to the face. So I will be back with my foundation, concealer, powder on, and then I'll keep on doing the other stuff on camera so you guys can see it. Okay, so for bronzer, I'm gonna use my Hoola bronzer. You guys already know I love Hoola bronzer, so that's what we're gonna use. We're gonna use blush, and I'm gonna use this one from Wet n Wild. I know it's broken. It's in the shade Pearlescent in Pink, but I'm gonna try and use it because since we did like a peachy look. Now I'm gonna use this shade right here and this one for my lower lash line. Alright, so I'm gonna put my lashes off camera and then I'll be back to put highlight and my lipstick. So I'll be back. Okay, so now that lashes are done, I'm gonna apply my telescopic mascara to my bottom lashes. Now for highlight, I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlight in the shade Blossom Glow. Oh my god, what is this? Blossom Glow. For my lip liner, I'm gonna use my Jordana lip liner in the shade Rock and Rose. As always, I'm gonna line my lips. I'm gonna use the Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick in the shade Stay Neutral. Just this one. Apply that all over my lips. Alright guys, so that was it for this tutorial right here. I wanted to do a colorful look since we're about to start spring. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and also turn on your post notifications so you're notified every single time that I post a new video. And I hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye.